Ragi or finger millet is a type of small grain cereal that belongs to the millet family. It is primarily grown in Africa and South Asia, India being the largest producer. From the fields of India comes ragi, a superfood so small and bright, with strength and nutrition in every bite. Let's soak almonds and chia seeds overnight. Add apple pieces, dates, and condensed milk to make it rich and nice. Cooked ragi joins the mix with little ice to blend it into a creamy mix. Thick, nourishing, and naturally sweet, this is not just a drink but a wholesome meal to beat the heat.